Good morning, students. In today's video, let's revise the chapter subject and predicate. We'll do a quick exercise in order to revise this chapter. Separate the subject and the predicate in the following sentences. Now we already know what is the subject. The subject is the person, thing, place, commodity that we are talking about, and the predicate is what we are talking about, the subject. Okay, what we are saying or talking about the subject is the predicate. Okay, starting with the first sentence. A friend of mine works abroad. Now in this sentence, what is the subject? The subject is a friend of mine. And the predicate is works abroad. Who works abroad? A friend of mine. So we are talking about a friend of mine, which is the subject here. And works, what are we talking about him? That he works abroad. So works abroad is the predicate. Now let's see question number 2. It was a cold day. Now in this sentence, what is the subject? It was a cold day is the predicate. Sentence number 3. To give advice is easy. Now what is the subject here? To give advice. What is the predicate? Is easy. So what is easy? Giving advice is easy. So to give advice is the subject here, and what is the predicate? Is easy. Now let's see another sentence. The old books in the library are being rebound. Now what is the subject here? The old books in the library. What are we talking about? Who are we talking about and what are we talking about is the subject. So we are talking about the old books in the library. So that is the subject. And what is the predicate? Are being rebound. What is being done to the subject here? They are being rebound. So are being rebound is the predicate. Let's see sentence number 5. An airplane is a flying machine. Now what is the subject here? An airplane is the subject and the predicate is a flying machine. Clear? Okay, now let's see another sentence. You never cease to amaze me. Now in this sentence, what is the subject? You is the subject. Never cease to amaze me is the predicate, because we are talking about you, and that is why it is the subject. And what are we talking about you? That you never cease to amaze me. So never cease to amaze me is the predicate. Let's see another sentence. Someone rose to speak. Now what is the subject here? Someone is the subject here, and rose to speak is the predicate here. Clear? Now let's see sentence number 8. A barking dog seldom bites. Now what is the subject here? We are talking about a barking dog. So a barking dog is the subject here, and seldom bites is the predicate here, because what are we talking about? The barking dog. We are talking about the barking dog that is it's seldom bites. So seldom bites is the predicate, and we are talking about a barking dog, so that is the subject. I hope subject and predicate is now clear to you. You can practice exercises from your book, and so that you'll learn it better. And see you in the next video. Till then, take care.